Hi, my name is Amit. I am a CAT trainer at MBAC. We are a CAT training institute based in Patna. We're looking at this triangles question, a very interesting one. कहता है find the number of triangles with integer sides, okay, having a perimeter of 21 centimeter. So the triangle sides have to be integers, and the perimeter has to be 21. So the question is very simple upfront. So there is a triangle, let's say ABC. This is my triangle. The corresponding sides are, let's say, A, B, and C. It is given that A plus B plus C is 21 centimeter and the sides are integers. That is, the value of A, B, and C are integers, right? So this is my question. How many such triangles are possible? This is what we have to find out. Okay. Let us now pick up some key ideas from where we can start attempting this question. One thing that we know is that two sides of a triangle, sum of two sides of a triangle is always more than the third side. This we know. So for example, if you take this example 21 centimeter, the perimeter is 21 centimeter. If you take one side as half of the perimeter, so 21 का half कितना हो जाएगा 10.5. If you take this as half, the other two side will also add up to 10.5 because A plus B plus C has to be 21. Perimeter is given. So if C is 10.5, A and B will also add up to 10.5. A and B will also add up to 10.5. But in that case, A plus B will become equal to C. But A plus B has to be more than C, which means that A plus B has to be more than 10.5 and C has to be less than 10.5. So we can conclude that in a triangle, any side will always be less than half of the perimeter. That is, any measure of any side will be less than semi-perimeter. So with this idea, we can start attempting this question. Now see here, we know that A, B and C, they will add up to 21 and value of any side will always be less than 10.5 because if you take one side as 10.5 or more, the other two sides will add up to 10.5 or less, which should not be the case because two sides should always add up to more than third side. So I cannot take any side more or equal to 10.5. So I have to take values less than 10.5. So the largest integer that you can take, which is less than 10.5, is 10. So now we are manually finding out all the answers. So if you take it as 10, so the other two sides should add up to 11, right? So 11 में क्या हो सकता है? We can take it as 10 1 because maximum that any side can be given is 10 and they have to be integers. So 10 and 1. We can also put 9 and 2. We can have 8 and 3. We can have 7 and 4. We can have 6 and 5 and then it will repeat 5 6 4 7. It will repeat. So 5 triangles you have got: 10 10 1, 10 9 2, 10 8 3, 10 7 4 and 10 6 5, right? So 5 triangles are obtained. If you decrease now, the maximum that you could have taken for the value of A is 10. अब इसको कम करते हैं, you can take it as 9 also. If you take it as 9, then B plus C will add up to 12 because 12 plus 9 will give you 21, which is the perimeter. So 9 तो 12 में अब क्या कर सकते हैं? 10 and 2. 9 10 and 2, but see 9 10 and 2 is already taken. See 9 10 and 2 we have already considered. So this 9 10 and 2, no, we cannot take it once more because this will be a duplication. So take it as 9 2. This we have not taken. So 9 9 2. Then 8 3. 9 8 3 we have not taken. Then sorry, 9 and 10 3. So 9 3 and 8 4, right? These two should add up to 12. So 9 3 8 4. Then 7 5, right? This also we have not taken. And then it will become 6 and 6, right? 6 and 6. So these are our cases, right? 9 3 8 4 7 5 and 6 6. If you go below this, it will become 5 5 7, which will be a repetition. Same cheez aayega 5 7 4 8 3 9. So it will repeat. So here you have got 4, right? Now again take some more. A B C. A is 8. Put A as 8 now. If you put A as 8, then B plus C should add up to 13. So 13 में क्या हो सकता है? 10 3 13, but 10 3 13 we have already taken. See, 10 8 3, 10 8 3 we have already taken. Because we have already taken, so this will be a duplication. Similarly, 9 4 is already taken. See, 9 8 9 4, right? So देखिए 9 8 4. 984. We have already taken. So 894 again will be a duplication. So you can take it as 8485, 885. This we have not taken. So 885 becomes your one option. Then you can take 8 and then 7, and this will become 6, right? 876, another option. And then it will repeat 6, 7 and 5, 8. So it will repeat, so there is no point. So there are only two cases possible here, right? If you take 7, we are gradually reducing the value of a. First we have taken 10, we have considered 9, then 8, then 7. 7 लेंगे तो देखिए 7 के साथ में क्या बचेगा? 7 है तो 14 बचना चाहिए. 14 plus 7 will give you 21. So b plus c will add up to 14. So 14 will be 10 4, but 7 10 4 is already taken. Similarly 10 4 नहीं होगा, 10 4 is already done. Similarly 9 5 is also done. See here, 7 9 5 is already done, so we cannot take this. Then becomes 8 6, right? So we have already considered this also. See, 7 8 6 is already done, so no point taking it. And then it becomes 7 and 7, 7 and 7, 7 7 7 we have not taken, so this we can take, right? Again, take some more examples. If you have taken a as 7, now take a as 6. 6 लेंगे तो बाकी का सब कितना होगा? 15 आएगा. तो 15 में क्या क्या होगा? देखो 10 5 होगा, बट 5 के साथ में 6 के साथ में 10 5 तो ऑलरेडी ले चुके हैं ना. 10 6 5 इज ऑलरेडी कंसिडर्ड, सो देयर इज नो पॉइंट टेकिंग 10 5. दिस इज डन. देन 6 के साथ में हम लोग 9 वाला भी ले चुके हैं. 9 6, right? 6 6 9 we have already taken. See here, 9 6 6, this is already done and dusted, so there's no point taking it. Then 6 के साथ में हम लोग क्या ले सकते हैं? 8 and 7, but 8 7 is also done, no? See, 8 6 7 8, 6 7 8, these two are same thing. 6 7 8 6 7 8, so we have already taken. और इसके बाद तो रिपीट होगा ना, 7 8 6 9. so आपको कुछ भी यहाँ पे नया नहीं मिल रहा है. So if you take a value as 6 or 5 or 4, you will get the duplication only. There is nothing new that you will come across. So how many are you getting? 5 here, 4 here, 2 here and 1 here. So they will add up to 5 plus 4 plus 2 plus 1, 9 plus 2 11 plus 1. How many are you getting? 12. So there are 12 triangles possible with integer sides with perimeter 21 centimeter. Now we have manually searched here answer, gone by the first principle. We have not used anything other than the idea that two sides will always add up to more than the third side in any triangle. This is all that we have used. We have not used any no formula here. We have manually searched and find out all the possibilities. And there are 12 possibilities. So 12 is my answer. But it has taken some time, right? In order to avoid this loss of time, we can also think of using some formula here. There's a nice formula that you can remember here. I'll give you the formula here. So the formula is, right? So the formula is that number of triangles with integer sides is equal to p square upon 48 in square bracket. I'll explain you what is square bracket here. Or p plus 3 whole square divided by 48 by integer function. Okay. So what does this mean is that your p is perimeter, where p is perimeter, and this formula applies when p is odd, even, and this will work when p is odd, right? So this is my formula. Remember this. This is a mumbo jumbo. I know I'm not giving you the logic behind this formula, but take it as on face value. And if you apply this formula, you'll be able to answer these types of questions very straightforward. Remember that you substitute the value of p here depending on whether it is even or odd. So in this case, p's perimeter is 21, which is odd. So we will use the second formula, this formula. So p plus 3 whole square by 48. You calculate that. So 21 plus 3 whole square by 48, and then square bracket, which is integer function. We'll see what it is. So 24 into 24 divided by 48, which is 12. So 12 का integer function है. सी ये आपको कैलकुलेट करना है p+3 होल स्क्वायर डिवाइडेड बाई 48, ये जो भी वैल्यू आएगा 12 आया तो 12 के नियरेस्ट इंटीजर क्या होगा, 12 ही होगा। सो माय आंसर इज 12। यहाँ पे भी क्या आया था आपका आंसर 12 आया था, स्ट्रेट अवे आ गया। अगर ये 12.2 रहता तो भी आंसर 12 ही रहता, बिकॉज 12.2 का नियरेस्ट इंटीजर क्या है 12 है। अगर ये 12.8 होता तो हमारा आंसर 13 होता, बिकॉज 12.8 का नियरेस्ट इंटीजर क्या होता है 13। अगर ये 12.5 होता तो बीच में होता, एग्जैक्टली बीच में होता, 12 के भी इक्वल, 12 और 13 से इक्वी डिस्टेंट होता, तो उस केस में हम शॉर्टर वाला लेते हैं, लोअर वैल्यू। सो इफ इट इज 12.5, had it been 12.5 we would have taken 12। if it is less than 12.5 we will definitely take 12। if it is more than 12.5 we'll take 13, right? So that is how it is. So you can use this formula. This formula applies when p is even, the first formula. The second formula applies when p is odd. Here p is 21, which is odd, so we can use the second formula, find out my answer. The answer is 12. So this is a wonderful formula. You can keep in mind. You can remember this. This will help you a lot. This will save a lot of precious time in the exam also. I hope you would appreciate these things. If you like these questions, if you find there is a lot of merit in these questions, please do like, share, and subscribe to our channel. If you have any doubt, any question that comes to your mind related to CAT preparation, you can write me in the comment section. I'll definitely try and revert to you. I'll get back to you as soon as possible. Thank you guys. Thank you for watching. Best wishes.